What is up, YouTube? It's so dark and gloomy outside. Look at that. It's like a perfect stay in the house weather. Let's have a look. Started to rain, that's good. This is stormy weather we're having today. Okay, we got lightning. Better stay indoors. Better go back. Yep. Pwede natin lutuin. Let's see what we can cook. Good afternoon, guys. Today we'll make a Singapore noodles. So you can't find this in Singapore. Sa mga Filipinos, it's a sotanghon gisado, but with a twist. It's got a curry powder. So I'll be using sliced onions, garlic, green chili, carrots, green beans, and capsicum or bell pepper. Sahog natin, pork strips, some prawns, some tofu and fish balls, oyster sauce, and again curry powder, soy sauce, and some sotanghon or vermicelli noodles. I soaked it in hot water already. Sabayan niyo ako. Ooh, and I forgot, we'll be using some eggs too. So with a hot wok or a hot pan, get some oil. Just start sauteing onions, throw in our pork, season with some salt, some pepper, add the garlic, at this stage we'll add the prawns and our tofu and squid balls and fish balls. Okay. Let it cook. Halfway through cooking, we'll just set this all aside. Okay, with a hot pan, get some of our eggs. So this time we've drained the vermicelli, rinse it in cold water. Now we're just waiting for this to heat up. Okay, that's hot. We'll put in our eggs. Side, put our chilies, carrots, green beans, and capsicum. And put in our prawns again. Okay, put in our noodles. It's pretty much a dry noodles. So to this, I'll add about 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And we'll do the same with the soy sauce. So about 2, 3, 4. To that we'll add curry powder, about 2 tablespoons. Alright? Then you just mix it up. So here you can use whatever leftovers or whatever you can find in your fridge. Get chicken, or if you only want veggies, you can add veggies only. The curry just adds more flavor. Quick and easy. With this recipe, you can feed the whole family. Taste the salt. That's pretty good. Kain na! So ito pwedeng optional toppings. Bean sprouts or toge. Some basil or basil. Alright. Kain na tayo.
What's this called sa atin?
So, tanghon gisado pero meron siyang curry powder. Yun ang difference. Tapos, bean sprouts. Top. Like some basil. Kain po. Paalam.